I have recently fallen in love with these reusable silicone food storage bags. They come in so many different sizes and colors and are super handy because they stand up and stay open on their own. They can even hold liquids, and each container has a spout, which means it's super easy to pour out of. They are microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So obviously today we're going to talk about TikTok. And before all that, let me just read the comments of the video I just showed you. Okay, so here we go. What's the name online? Would you consider this? We're getting these, just ordered, etc. So we can see it's a very successful advertisement. So this is the TikToker who made the video I just showed you guys. And I chose them because they're really phenomenal on TikTok. And I believe we can learn something from their success today.
Now let's see what are the 3 most outstanding features of this creator's videos. First, keep it simple. TikTok videos are always short. 10 to 15 seconds would be the best. If you happen to have a product or a topic really requires long time to introduce, then try break it down into multiple videos so you can keep the viewership and the replayability high. Number 2, keep it real. In the world of TikTok, genuine content reigns supreme. Users favor raw, engaging videos over highly edited posts. So it could be better to just use your phone to film instead of high-end cameras. Number 3, don't be pushy. You don't need to say too much about the product. Let the customer decide for themselves that they want to buy it. Users on this platform want to be entertained or informed, not sold to. Make sure your ad is not too azzy. The most successful ads nowadays are the ones don't even look like an ad. TikTok is by far the most powerful social media platform when it comes to potential viral reach of reaching the most people in the world. So, except get your content simple, authentic, and casual, what else can you do to make more sales with your TikTok posts? Number 1, master the new features. New filters, gift stickers. TikTok releases new features frequently, and using these features can keep your feed looking fresh and fun, which enables your content to reach more audience.
Number 2, make good use of hashtags. TikTok's Discover page has the day's trending filters, songs, and hashtags. These hashtags change on a daily basis and would be a really good traffic boost if you can make your content jabs with them. Also, here I want to share a trick I learned from other TikTokers, which is that when choosing hashtags, you can see how many views these hashtags have, and you can try choose some with huge view number, which means reaching more people. But also don't forget to choose some more specific hashtags with less views to narrow down the audience.
Number 3, interact with the comments. After releasing a clip, always remember to leave yourself a like and say something in the comment. It could be a shout out to your other platforms, which can encourage people to follow you on other platforms, or you can also bring up a content-related question in the comment to improve engagement. Number 4, get a posting schedule. No matter how mysterious the algorithm is, just like any other social media platforms, TikTok also favors consistency. If you can stick on a posting schedule, the chance of your video getting on the For You page is going to be bigger. Tracing back to the very essential step of your dropshipping business, no matter what platform you choose to promote your business on, choosing the right product to promote with at the beginning is the key to success. We also made a video talking about how to choose winning product with TikTok. Click here to watch. I'm Bella from cjdropshipping. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to give us a thumb up if you like this video. Subscribe us if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out. See you guys next week.